Okay, 15 is 64 x to the second power minus 9. This is a binomial. This is different of a square. The formula is a squared minus b squared. The factorization is a plus b times a minus b. The action is you take out square root here, is ax, and the square root here is 3. And this is working like a and b respectively in our formula. Then the factorization is you open two parentheses and you copy 8x twice, 3 twice, and you put plus and minus. Or minus plus, doesn't matter the order, remember it's a factor. Okay, corresponding with the option B. Okay, again it's different of a square. It's binomial. How you recognize that? There's a binomial, a subtraction in between, and the number and variable involved in the problem are perfect square. So you take out square root this, square root 100, square root 169 is 13. 13s. And square root 144 is 12. Square root this guy is 12. 12t second. You divide by 2 the exponent always. This is a and b in my formula. Entonces open two parentheses. 13s. 13s. 12t squared. 12t squared. Plus or minus. Doesn't matter the position you put plus or minus. It's corresponding with the option C. Okay, 17 again is a factorization trinomial. X squared plus 50 x plus 625. But in this case, this is a special trinomial because I suppose que it's perfect square. Perfect square trinomial. Why? The test to prove que it's perfect square trinomial is you take out square root this is x. Square root 625 is 25. And when you multiply this guy, is x, times this guy, is 25, times extra 2, the answer is 50x. And this answer is exactly the same of the middle term. When this situation happens, this trinomial is perfect square and the factorization is extremely easy. Is open only one parenthesis, a square, and inside you put this is x and this is 25. And what is the sign in between? The sign in between is this sign, always this sign. The first sign. The first sign. The second sign must be also positive. This is the second. I don't care the second. I care the first. Plus. And this is the answer that corresponds with the option B. Okay, 18 and 19 are typical difference of cubic. And what is the formula? Difference of cubic. The factorization is a minus b, a squared plus ab plus b squared. And who is a and who is b? You take out cubic root, both sides, cubic root. Cubic root of 343 b cubic is 7b. 7 times 7 is 49. 49 times 7 is 63, carry that 63, 3, carry that 6, is 28 and 6 is 34. 28 plus 6 is 34. P divided 3 divided by 3 is 1, 7p. And cube root 1, obviously is 1. This working then like A and this is like a B. So now the factorization is two parentheses, one short parenthesis, and when you write 7p minus 1, this is like that, A minus B. Parentheses, you square, A squared. Who is A? 7p. 7p squared plus multiplication 7p que es A times 1 que es B plus 1 squared. Conclusion, 7p minus 1 parentheses 49 because 7 to the second power is 49 p squared plus 7 times 1 is 7p plus 1 squared is 1. And this is the answer. They correspond with the option, let me see, the option C, yes. Okay, again, difference of cubic. Let me copy the formula again. It's A minus B, A squared plus AB plus B squared. And who is B? Who is A and B in our specific example? You take out cubic root. Cubic root of x is just x to the cube is just x. And cubic root of 1000 is 10. Because 10 times 10 is 100, 8 times 10 again is 100. This expression is like A in our formula, and this is like a B in our formula. So finally, you open two parentheses, and the first parenthesis we have x minus 10. And the second parenthesis we have this guy a squared plus multiplication of 10 times x plus 10 squared. And 10 squared is 100. So this answer corresponds with the option A. Option A. Okay, this is a quadratic equation solved by factoring. First, to apply distributive property here, is r squared minus 10r plus 25 equal to 0. Now in this case, this trinomial is perfect square trinomial. Look, is the factorization is two parentheses, r. And two numbers can multiply each other. Give me 25 and adding or subtracting is 5. It's 5 and 5. Minus both. Equal to 0. Therefore, we have only one solution. R minus 5 equal to 0 is R equal 5. It's unique solution. Only one can correspond with the option D.